Hi everyone, so today I am going to show you my DIY pH balanced moisturizing shampoo. Now I did a video live chat on my Facebook group, Discovery Natural group, and we tested this and I've been using it and I love the way it works. So that's why I want to show you how I make it, and you can customize it to your taste. Now let me show you the ingredients that we're going to need for this, and remember, you can customize it. The most important ingredient is the pH strip. Now this pH strip, you can find it in our Amazon shop and the link will be in the description area, but it is also on the screen for you. So you need a pH testing strip. You also need a bottle to put your shampoo in because it's liquid. You will also need some oils. I'm using tea tree oil for dandruff and just for the scalp health. Lavender is good for growth, and it also works well for scent and other things. And I also like rosemary oil, which is like an antioxidant, and it works really well for the hair. Now, vitamin E oil is a moisturizer oil, so it works great at that. It also works as a preservative. And you're going to use apple cider vinegar to help with the balancing of the pH, and it also helps with the cleaning of the scalp. The other oil I have is Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. Now you can use any Castile soap, but make sure it is pretty much pure and it doesn't have ingredients that you don't need, because some Castile soap has salt in it. This one contains jojoba oil, peppermint oil, hemp oil, and other great ingredients for your hair. We'll be needing coconut milk also for that moisturizing property, and also we'll be needing aloe vera water, aloe vera juice. And the last things that we'll be needing will be, of course, measuring cups and measuring utensils. Now this funnel, I'm using it so that I don't spill. You can also find this in our Amazon store. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. So after putting the funnel into the container I'm going to use for my shampoo, I'm going to take the coconut milk. Now you can use organic coconut milk, but this is the one that I found and I'm using. So I'm going to take about a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And to that I will add in a 1/4 cup of Castile soap. And I will add in half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And then half a teaspoon of aloe vera juice. And half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'll add in the tea tree oil, about 8 drops, and about the same equal amount of my rosemary oil, and the equal amount 8 drops of lavender oil. Now if you don't have Castile soap, you can substitute with African black soap, and if you don't have tea tree oil, you can substitute with peppermint oil. After this is done, I'm going to cover my shampoo bottle thing, shake it real good. Oh, this is the mixture. The last thing that you do want to do is you do want to test it. So I'm going to take my testing strip, and you want to make sure the test shows a pH of between 4 to 6. You can be okay with a pH between 5 to 7. Just know that we want the pH to be a little bit acidic. Yes, I know that's strange, but we do want that because this is a moisturizing shampoo, it's not a super clarifying shampoo. So the lower the pH, the less ash it is. This is a gentle shampoo, so it's not very ash on your hair, and you could use it every week if you want to. So upon testing it, this is our test strip and this is our measurement. Here is what we have. We have it measuring thereabout the 6 marker. You're going to see how I use it in my hair. This is a clip that came from after the live chat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clip, and it gave my hair really good shine, really good moisture, and I love it. This, now if you want to preserve it, you can actually store it in the fridge. This right now will last, I will give it about 2 weeks if you store it outside, but if you store it in the fridge, it can last longer. You could also make a huge amount of it and freeze it in ice cubes, and then take it out. A cube can be for a wash day and you should be fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to check out our Facebook group, Discovery Natural Group, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.